when Paul was still wrestling with Havoc and her, why not just bring in, or they could bring in Jessica Havoc during the women's tournament that we were just talking about a few minutes ago.
Who's the girl with Insanity?
Nikki Cross.
Yeah, she's good.
Hello, caller, you're on the air.
You're on the air.
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
it's Hurricane Ronnie.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is Hurricane Ronnie, a good friend of mine. He was at the LCW show. Magnificent performance of his own rendition of the Rockets theme of Hurricane. Hurricane, how you doing, man?
Oh, I'm doing good.
And let's just say,
Thank you for that.
this is a better hurricane than the hurricane, if you know what I mean.
Oh, you don't listen.
So,
that was fun weekend too.
oh yeah, it was. It definitely was. And you guys want to check out what we're talking about, I'm going to be uploading the Louisiana Championship Wrestling show on my channel, Match by Match, here over the next few days here on my YouTube channel. So you guys want to check it out, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube
show some of them on the show.
Yeah, we can start next week. We can start next
show
week.
match a night or something.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll for next week here on the show, we'll show the very first match, which was the LCW United States Championship. Flip the Wolfman Jackson defending the title against Trucker Jones.
And you got the main event going on there, so too.
Oh yeah, definitely. So be sure you guys look for that one, especially with Hurricane Ronnie's performance. It was really, really good.
Oh, thank you, man.
All right, so Hurricane, we've been talking about possibly the Elimination Chamber, who we see coming out of as the champion. Who do you see coming out as champion?
Over at all, because they've only had 2 NXT stars carry it.
Yeah, Finn Balor for like less than 24 hours, and then Kevin Owens.
Oh yeah, and elimination, that's this Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Right after the Royal Rumble.
Who's all in it?
In the Elimination Chamber, we have John Cena as the champion, AJ Styles, Dean Ambrose, Bray Wyatt, The Miz, and Baron Corbin.
Oh, I saw with Dean Ambrose on the bed. That's
Wow.
right there.
Well, I kind of have to disagree with you with Dean Ambrose on one thing, because he's holding the Intercontinental title right now. So I don't think that would make him a dual champion. The Miz, I think if WWE wants to piss off the fans. Yeah, but Miz has really been getting over as a heel lately on SmackDown Live. Wouldn't you say, Nick?
Yeah, I would say it's not yet quite the time for Miz, but he's having a damn good year, or he's been really doing a good job. So I see him maybe more Money in the Bank.
Possibly. Mark, what do you think?
Money in the Bank, get him heat so he gets in the briefcase and talks crap about it again. And like, I'm Money in the Bank winner. With that.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm just the past couple recent shows with SmackDown and Raw. I'm on the PBR because when the Royal Rumble happened, I got the network. So I've been just watching everything on the network, but old things.
So you missed Samoa Joe's Monday Night Raw debut this past week.
Yeah, I didn't even watch it. I still didn't get to watch it because it's PBR. That's why I didn't even know who was in the chamber match. So I know I'm watching it.
Well, it's such a quick turnaround from the Royal Rumble to, try and promote that.
Yeah, only 2 weeks.
Well, that's
Yeah, I know. It used to be like a month.
Yeah, but since they had the brand split, they're giving, so the Lone Wolf. Yeah, be sure you check out the Lone Wolf's YouTube channel as well, guys, if you guys want to check them out. Ever since they split up the brands, they've given each brand their own separate pay-per-view, aside from the big 4 pay-per-views, like the Royal Rumble, WrestleMania, Survivor Series, SummerSlam, like that. And I don't know about you, Hurricane, but I think that's a little bit overload to have 2 pay-per-views a month.
Yeah, it's like a lot going on. It's a lot to keep up with. But I mean, everything's so different. When I first started watching wrestling, it used to be like I would watch WWF Superstars, and you would see like the stars face like a no-name kind of guy, a jobber, and you never see him face off against another star until
maybe in the main event.
Review time. Well, then it like meant something because it was building up to that. But back then there was only the 4 pay-per-views.
Right, so they maybe had 20 guys on the roster, 20, 30 guys.
Yeah.
And now it's like 60 to 80 guys, you know?
A lot just changed, but I mean, even like, well, I'm not complaining, but like just now that I have the network, I only get it certain times of the year, like the Royal Rumble, all this time for WrestleMania, and when I had it that month.
Ever since they split up the brands, they've given each brand their own separate pay-per-view, aside from the big four pay-per-views, like the Royal Rumble, WrestleMania, Survivor Series, SummerSlam, like that. And I don't know about you, Hurricane, but I think that's a little bit overload to have 2 pay-per-views a month.
Yeah, it's like a lot going on. It's a lot to keep up with. Like, but I mean, everything's so different. When I first started watching wrestling, it used to be like I was watching WWE Superstars, and you would see like the stars face like a no-name kind of a guy that's jobbers.
Yeah.
You never see him face off against another star until
Maybe in the main event.
review time. But then it like meant something because it was filling up for that. But back then there was only the 4 pay-per-views.
Right, so they maybe had 20 guys on the roster, 20, 30 guys.
Yeah.
And now it's like 60 to 80 guys, you know?
A lot just changed, but I mean, even like, well, I'm not complaining, but like just now that I have the network, I only get it certain times of the year, like the Royal Rumble, all this time for WrestleMania, and when I had it that month, I'm watching non-stop, so like, now I'm watching that, I lose track of what's current. Because I'm watching all the old school stuff or documentaries on there.
Yeah. Yeah, one thing I definitely have to highly recommend that you check out while you have the network, Hurricane, is NXT. I consider NXT to be the saving grace of WWE. That's where a lot of the great talent, a lot of the great wrestling to have. And speaking of NXT, Manager McGinnis started his commentary gig on NXT this week, and I have to say, he sounded really, really good with Tom Phillips. Now with Showtime versus Watson, I don't know.
After we just met Blue Pants this past weekend, I started watching NXT last night, and I was surprised.
Showtime versus Watson, I don't know.
After we just met Blue Pants this past weekend, I started watching NXT last night, and I was surprised. Like I watched, it was the latest episode they had, but I like that better than Raw, and I couldn't believe I was liking it so much. And so now I went and watched that, and I watched Breaking Ground. So that's what I've been watching right now.
Great. Definitely. Well, Hurricane Ronnie also has his own YouTube channel. Hurricane, you want to tell everyone about it?
Yeah, I got wrestling videos on there, cooking videos on there, travel, gaming. It's just a mixture of all kinds of different videos and vlogs. And it's Enigma TV. To get to it, it's Enigma Aquarius worldwide. I know that's probably a lot, but there's I mean, maybe we could I could put a comment or something on one of your videos if they go to your channel.
Yeah, well, after the show tonight, the show's going to be automatically archived to YouTube, so just do it like that.
Yeah, we can do that.
All right, Hurricane. Well, then, it was great having you on. It was great talking to you, man, but we got to let you go, man.
Okay, y'all, have a good one.
All right, great hearing from you, man.
Good talking to you too, man.
All right, have a good one.
All right, you too.
Now, back to Nia Jackson Bailey.
No, it's the thinking man. The thinking man.